Hi, I'm Stephen Daniels. I'm the Director of Engineering here at DesignWise.
I'm Caleb Scarborough, and I'm a project engineer at DesignWise.
Today we're going to walk through how to do business with us.
So the first step in the process is we'll send out a mutual non-disclosure agreement that just ensures that the exchange of information between parties is protected.
Then we'll have an initial meeting with you that takes about an hour where we discuss all of your wants and needs and make sure that we're a good fit to send you a quote.
In that quotation, we're going to gather all the information from that meeting in order to establish the steps needed to complete the project. In those steps, it'll outline the processes and the costs and the duration. It'll also spell out the roles of each company. It'll also have a list of requirements in order to make sure that the quotation's accurate.
Once you're happy with the quote, purchase order will let us get started right away. We start with data gathering and we'll start 3D modeling as soon as possible. We'll also start doing the calculations, and weekly we'll have meetings to make sure both parties are kept up to date and so that you're in control of the process the entire way.
Once the design is finalized, we'll do a large file transfer. That'll include your drawing package, the model, and any calculations. All the intellectual property is yours.
Some additional services we provide are prototyping, testing, and finite element analysis. If you'd like to get a hold of us, you can go to design-wise.com or give us a call.
Thanks.